Ambareesh, before, I even tossed that question to you, I have to compliment you because I remember a conversation about a week back, and you said that one shouldn't get too sort of dissuaded with the way the market was falling, and you were expecting better levels in January. Is this the beginning of better times and better things to come?
Yeah, I think this could be the beginning because I think more or less we would have made the bottom a couple of days back. I mean, unless we really cross those 8,000 levels, move towards 8,200, 300, you really can't say that 7,100 levels is the bottom. But it seems as of now that the bottom has been made, and I think we should look forward to a consolidation going ahead over the next couple of days. And this is generally what happens when you have a foreseeable event, and that keeps coming back to haunt you every time. And that's what we have seen in the last 3 or 4 months. I mean, every time we have talked about Fed and the markets have cracked. So once the event is over, I mean, you normally have a relief rally. And that's exactly what we are seeing now.
But Ambareesh, what about local cues? I mean, one could argue that this big global event is out of the way, but local issues haven't gone away. We still have a parliament which is jammed. We don't have any progress on GST. We still have corporate earnings to deal with come January. I don't know if too many people are expecting any fireworks from corporate India. So what happens to a lot of these negatives?
Right. See, first of all, when we talk of corporate earnings, I don't think the expectations are too high. I think, it's more or less discounted that the corporate earnings would be similar to what we have seen in the last 2 quarters. So when the expectations are not too high, I don't think there is too much of room for disappointment. So that's one positive. When we talk of the Lok Sabha, the Parliament being in a logjam, I think that's already been discounted because that got discounted when we saw the markets falling from those close to 8,000 levels to closer to about 7,500 levels in the past couple of days. So I think that is discounted. When we talk of GST, whether it would have gone through in this session or whether it goes through in the budget session, it doesn't make any difference because finally it will get implemented only by about April 2017. So I think people would look forward to the budget session as to what happens to GST. So I think, all these three would be non-issues as far as the markets are concerned as of now.
All right, Ambareesh, hold that thought. Let's get a little stock specific and sector specific.